Jesus Christ.
I'm over here at the shop, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the next project that I'm gonna be working on here. Starting probably this week or so if I have enough time, but this is gonna be not a short project but a long-term project. It's gonna be a lot of trial, error, and I'm just, you know, testing stuff and seeing what I can and cannot do. Take you guys along for the ride with me, and we'll learn, grow, cuss, and busted knuckles and all. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the ride. God damn it. Switch back. Switch cameras. Ta-da! Oh man. Got dust and all the leaves and stuff everywhere. Now I'm gonna have to clean up. Uh-oh. So here it is, a 1971 MGB GT. I'll just mess around with when Killer Mike was here, taking his wrap off and put it on this car. They got, I have some service rust and stuff like that on there, but that's the first thing I'm gonna do is actually do the body work before I start doing any mod. They got a gas tanks. It's a hatch, rear wheel drive. It was a V8 car. This one doesn't have an engine in it though, but that's what it looks like on the inside. The dash not in bad, but I'm gonna completely gut it out and do the body work on it. It's a British car. Let me show you the engine bay, what an engine bay looks like. Dog it.
Do you see anything wrong here? No. We got no windows, do we? No, do we? No, do we? No, it's not.
Nothing. A bunch of leaves, acorns, and some stuff. So I'm getting rid of this hood for sure. Clean up the engine bay. I'm gonna take all this wiring out, and I'm actually going to wide body it. What I don't understand is it has, maybe somebody put this on aftermarket. It has this and that mirror up there, which I don't see why you need two. But that is it. 1971 MGB GT. He's like, so what engine are you planning to put on it? Ta-da! I already have the donor car right here. Anybody know what it is? Anybody? Any takers? Bueller? So you can see it. It's Infiniti G35 6-speed manual. So I'm going to take this power plant, transmission, the drivetrain, and as much as I could save off of the G35, I'm gonna put on the MG. I bought this off of one of the pilots I work with. He was gonna do a cage car, almost probably like a Leroy, a kit car type, but it ended up the company ended up not having the kit that he wanted, so I bought this off of him, and I'm going to put all of that in the MG. We'll see how that goes. This car actually runs and drives. If you see in the beginning of the video, you see me driving it up on the trailer. It's just that the battery is dead right now. I'm not sure if it'll start, but in the next video I'll oh, I got the battery disconnected. There's a battery over there. That battery is dead. I wonder if I have to put on a battery charger, if it'll work. Before I electrocute myself. Of course, this battery doesn't go to it. I just put another battery on there to try and get it going. Oh, the light's on. Don't try this at home, folks. But that is it. G35 into an MG wide body. What do you guys think? Too ambitious of a project? We'll see. Be a learning experience. Plus, I'll have you guys along the way to help with all the comments and research, so we'll be good. Maybe one day be good enough to take to SEMA. Not this year though. I don't think I've, for all the ideas and all the experimental stuff I want to do. Maybe next year. G35 into an MG. So I'm gonna need a name for the project. I was thinking of calling the car Spartacus, because you know all my cars are named after gladiators. So I was thinking Spartacus or MG35. So if you guys comment below on a good project name, if I like it, I'll rename the project that. But as for right now, it's called Spartacus. are the keys? Where are the keys? Oh. So there it is, MG G35. I tried to get it cranking, but battery's too dead. Try to jump it, wouldn't jump either, but I did drive it in here and back it in this spot. So this upcoming week, pull this outside, get all the leaves and all that stuff off. I'm gonna take all the trim off, take all the glass out, and then I'm gonna start sanding it down and look for rust and fix certain spots, and then go from there. So stay tuned. And again, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon for future uploads. This is gonna be a crazy one, so you might want to stick around and watch this one and whatever else I may have coming up on the channel. And again, I'm gonna be working on a giveaway, a super duper giveaway, so I'm gonna have to change it to, if I get to 100K by the end of the year, this giveaway is gonna be crazy. As I say, it's in what's the word I'm looking for, collaboration with one of my sponsors I may have: Suncoast, Pegasus, Nitrous Express, Airlift, Metro, me, Triumph Forge, Mantic. Also have Thermal, R&D, and new on board, I also have BMR suspension. So stay tuned, guys, more to come.
Rose, I walked in the corner with the body screaming dollar. Never sold it back, but looking like Pablo in the front. This gon' make him feel away like Tony killed